Hi. Hi, wonderful people. Okay, so today I went and I got my hair colored and styled. It's colored and styled, and I'm getting ready to go to bed. So I wanted to just share with you a style that you can have when you're going to bed. And this is what I usually do at home when I'm getting ready to go to bed. So I'm all dressed. I'll be taking out off my earrings, and then I'm just gonna comb my hair. And what I do is I just comb it all back, kind of like I do when I go walking. When I go walking, I like to comb my hair back and then put it all the way up. That way, my hair is not on my neck, and when I sweat from walking, then it doesn't make my hair turn back where it's really curly. So here we go. So get your comb your hair back, and as I was telling you, that this part right here, this is called the kitchen. Used to call this the kitchen when I was growing up. So comb that up and pull it back and take it up. So I'm taking it up. I'm going up, pushing all of that up. And the reason why I put it up is because for me, I just like the way after a night's rest, tossing and turning sometimes in the morning, my hair has a little bit more body. And I don't know if it's because I'm pulling it all the way up and then when it comes down, the body is in there. I'm not really sure what makes it like that, but I just really like putting it all the way up. And then also with it being up, if I turn to the left or turn to the right, it doesn't really make me feel uncomfortable. Sometimes when you got something on this side or on that side, when you lay on top of it, it doesn't feel comfortable. So just put it all the way up like this. And then since I have on a green gown, I am going to use the green twist tie. And like I said, I prefer these instead of rubber bands because I found that rubber bands really do break your hair. And this might take a little bit sometimes, but it's not nearly as bad as a rubber band. So these are just regular twist ties. I like the ones that are colorful, but the black ones are good too. So pull it all the way up, twist it around, and then I just make sure that I have my hair up, and then I'll leave a little bit kind of hanging down like this, and then just let it go. And this is it. This is my hair. This is a style for bedtime. And just pull that up, comb that up. And if you brush it, brushing is really good too. Brush it, comb it, get a male person, some man, to just run their fingers through it too. So all of those things really work for styling your hair at night. So as I said, just comb your hair back, comb it all the way back, and then pull it up, and then put a twist tie on it, and that's it. You are ready to go to bed. Bye. I'll see you in the next video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in the next video.